Guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in a long time, and yeah, today we're gonna have make a YouTube video about paper airplanes, and yeah, and I am collabing with another YouTuber.
Hi, I'm Emma on YouTube. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.
We are going to be playing with paper airplanes, and I am sorry for not posting in a long time.
Where's the other one?
I don't know.
Maybe
Oh,
we
it's
should
right there.
Should we put this down? Put the down. Oh, here.
All right.
Let's put it down.
I don't know what to do. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, we're on my tripod. Where should we put this?
Yeah, put it right there. That's good. There you go.
Guys, this is my paper airplane with the black tip. Ready? This is mine.
I'm gonna be like you. Guys, make sure you guys subscribe. And my name will be on the title of this video. You did that last time. Oh, you did. On my video. On my video.
No. Well, is it the name of it? Is the title my YouTube channel name?
You said make sure you guys like and subscribe.
I said whatever. And then watch this. What's this?
Alright.
Oh,
Bro, that was crazy.
no, look.
This?
Emma, look. Look. This. Wait, come here. Actually, no. Look, I was standing here. I threw it. It was like this. Then it was flying backward.
What?
I went upside down.
Yeah,
Wait, I'm gonna try to hit it.
Same.
Look, ready?
That was good.
Boom. Oh. Wait, let's play block the paper airplane.
Okay. Ready? That was good. I didn't hold on the correct way.
Head top. Head top. Head top. Meet me in person, then your head top me back. Guys, POV, you're a basketball player. You're about to throw their paper airplane like this. And then you throw it. Okay? Move.
Oh! I stopped it. Watch me. I'm gonna do two. Ready? I should stop. Stop, astronaut.
Nano, hi bolo.
Hi. Hi.
That's my grandma, guys. All right, peace out, guys.
Bye.
Bye.